As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at these Charbroil grills. The Grill2Go X200, ASINB00 BFPMLI8, and the classic 2-burner, ASINB097 LJDT3D. What do you think?
Oh yeah, I saw those. Okay, so the Grill2Go is definitely the portable option, right? It's only 20 pounds.
Yeah, less than 20 pounds, they say. The classic 2-burner is, well, it doesn't say the weight, but its product dimensions are much larger.
True. The classic is bigger, 52 inches wide, but the Grill2Go is smaller, 23.7 x 15 inches x 13.6. So the Grill2Go is more for tailgating or camping, I guess?
Seems like it. The Grill2Go's got 200 square inches of cooking space, fueled by a 9,500 BTU burner. The Classic has a larger cooking area, 280 square inches, and 2 burners totaling 20,000 BTUs, plus an 8,000 BTU side burner.
The side burner is nice for sauces and sides. The Grill2Go doesn't have that. But it does have TRU infrared cooking, which is supposed to eliminate flare-ups.
Good point. The Classic just has standard porcelain-coated steel grates. Also, the Grill2Go has push-button ignition, while the Classic has piezo ignition.
I see that the Classic comes with a grill cover, which is a nice bonus.
Definitely. One thing that's interesting is the reviews. The Grill2Go has almost 3,339 ratings, with an average of 4.5, but the Classic has only 38 ratings and a 3.9 average.
That's a big difference. Maybe the Grill2Go has been around longer? I mean, the Classic was first available in June 2021, so it's newer.
Makes sense. And the Grill2Go seems focused on even heat and no flare-ups, which is a big selling point.
Yeah, especially if you're not a grilling pro. Less chance of burning everything. But if you need more cooking space and a side burner and you're not moving it around much, then the Classic might be better?
I think so. It really depends on what you are looking for. Thanks for the breakdown. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.